Today we are doing a 3 minute routine to open the hips and strengthen the inner thighs. We'll do 3 mobility exercises 1 minute each. Exercise 1. We'll start in a squat position, gentle opening and closing the knees. I'll use my bed for support because this quick routine is perfect to do right after waking up, before getting ready for work.
Minuto 6:45. Breathe in. Feel the space. Thank your body now.
Exercise 2. From this position, extend one knee out to the side while lowering the other knee toward the floor. Move slowly and with control. Remember to listen to your body and respect your own limits. Exercise 3. To finish, use your bed or a wall for support and come into butterfly pose. Keep your back supported. This will help you gently press your knees toward the floor with more control. Stay here for 30 seconds, breathing slowly. Repeat the entire circuit twice or 3 times and let me know in the comment if you enjoy this quick morning routine. See you in the next time.